Disposable gloves help aid in food safety, but they are only truly effective when they are used properly. The 2013 Food Code, Section 3-301.11 states, except when washing fruits and vegetables, food employees may not contact exposed ready-to-eat food with their bare hands and shall use suitable utensils such as deli tissue, spatulas, tongs, single-use gloves, or dispensing equipment. Single-use gloves are just as they sound. They are intended to be used once. As the period of time the gloves have been worn increases, the effectiveness of the gloves as a barrier decreases after time. It is best for one to change out to new gloves after 2 hours of use. Make sure to change gloves if they are torn or if you're about to handle different food. It is incredibly important to wash your hands before putting on gloves and after taking them off. The intended use of gloves is to prevent the bare hand contact with the food that will go out to customers. Single-use gloves help reduce the spread of organisms that spread disease.